but I'll be on it always, always.
Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. I know it's been forever since I posted, and I'm so sorry for y'all. Like, I'm so sorry. Like, there's just been so much going on and I just have not been posting at the moment, but I'm back at it with another video. So in this video, me and my sister will be trying these, and I'm so scared, y'all. I'm so scared because I've never tried no noodles like this before. And right now we got the water is boiling right now, and we're just gonna let y'all watch us do it, and I'll see y'all when we finna try it. Now my sister's gonna do it with me.
I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime, just some me time. Crib by the beach like Odell. Over my killers don't tell. Shut over my cause I New York the shelf. Now my bitch is dead.
You can't really see me because it's like.
You be my leading lady. I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime,
Ooh. Ooh. These are great. Oh my gosh. Like that. How long did it sit there?
some me time. In the meantime.
Okay, y'all, so I know that I have been gone for a long time. If y'all want a video on life update on why I've been gone for so long, put that down in the comments and I will tell y'all. It has been a roller coaster, literally. As y'all can see, I look much better where I'm at. I look much more just fresh, you know. But I might make a video on what has been going on lately, so stay tuned.
Don't fuck me up, don't let me down. You know I wanna be around. You talking more and more. I just think we ever be so crazy. I'm letting down my guard. Don't fuck me up, don't let me down. Cause if you ever wanna drive down, I need to hear it from you. And we know you can tell me how to fuck me up, don't let me down. Slit your wrist, but I'm willing to take a chance. What you think with my heart in hand? Gotta learn how to let someone hold. Take time, gotta trust who I let you trust. Got me questioning what you've done to me. Used to be out of reach. Feel like you're testing me, you're necessity. Full court press on me. Don't fuck me up, don't let me down. You know I wanna be around. You study more and more. I didn't think you ever be so crazy. I'm letting down my guard. Don't fuck me up, don't let me down. Cause if you ever wanna
And we finna add this, y'all, because it didn't really come with that much seasoning. Y'all, it smells like Alfredo, like, and we think it's gonna be really hot because it smells hot, like, you know that smell hot. Ooh, like, so I'm gonna get y'all back on me sitting at the table and we're gonna try it. Okay, y'all, so we are gonna try these noodles. We have milk,
I'm scared.
Just in case it's hot. Yeah, I'm scared too. I do not like milk.
I don't eat it with my cereal. I ain't taking no big bite.
You ready?
I'm scared.
Okay.
I can taste the hot,
It is hot.
but it's not like it's like regular hot baby. Yeah.
It's not that bad, y'all. I want to say I eat it every day because it is a little hot. Hot. It's not too hot to where we gotta drink the milk.
It's like the cheese. Calm it down.
Why are you laughing?
Quit breathing more.
Cause it's hot. Okay, it has a little kick. Okay, so I will not be finishing this bowl. I will not be finishing this bowl. How do you feel about it?
It's not something I would eat every day, but it's something I would eat again. It's hot, but it's like not to the point where you cry and run to the sink. But I had tried the black bag and I do not recommend.
Yeah. I didn't try it with her, but she said, dude, that was acting a fool and it was hot.
Yes, we drank all the tea, all the milk. We put our face in the sink and everything. It was terrible.
I won't be trying it. I don't even like hot stuff like that. But it's the texture is good, the flavor is good. I'd give it a 7 out of 10. How much?
I give it probably a 6.8.
But yeah, y'all. This will be the end of the video. I just try to get a video out there because I know I haven't posted in so long. Hey, what was we saying? Oh, you okay?
My back's like eating.
But yeah. Wait, what did you say you give it? What did you rate it?
6.8.
6.8. Yeah. It was actually good. I think it really was good because of the stuff we added in there. Like when we added the seasoning and stuff. I really don't know how it would taste without the seasoning, but
Maybe we will try that one day.
yeah.
I just keep the seasonings on stuff.
It was kind of mellow. It wasn't like giving what it was good, because you know how the people on YouTube, they be making it look real good, and it was not that. They be taking big old bites.
I want to have it with some seafood, because you know some people eat noodles with their seafood.
Yeah. So this will be the end of this video. I really hope y'all enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please comment down which part of this video was your favorite. Please hit that like button. Please subscribe. Yeah. Shammy out.
Bye.